It's time for another gardening update.
Okay guys, welcome back. It's another garden update video, and I'm sharing the little white flowers. That's the cilantro plant. Next to it is a bushy parsley plant. Just went wild after the rain. It is so wild. And also there is the scratched out thyme. And here's the deal. The herbs are urban. This is basil. I haven't started my plants yet. My new herb plants yet. Let me see the lemon tree back there. Lemon tree, and the little rain came through. There go all the other little plants. But there's my little owl. Yep, so basically, let me turn around here and share. There go the mint right there. It's still doing its thing. And look, the little succulent got bigger because it does love that area. And let me see. This was basil. It dried all up. So that basil was the other basil. This is a different basil. I don't know. It's seeded, I guess. But anyway, there's the oregano. I gave it a haircut. Let me back it up. The oregano had a haircut. You know, I saved some rainwater, so I put some rainwater on it. It's doing good. So success. And there go the green chives turned into green onions. I'm gonna replant those chives. And yeah, the plants, they're okay since that rain. I don't know, this Mickey Mouse plant, I gotta put it back where it go. Oh, knocking things over. A minute. Oh, making a mess here. This one here. And put this Mickey Mouse plant right here. Look, the Mickey Mouse plant got a new leaf, a new ear. I think it's cute. Mickey Mouse plant. See? Anyway, that's my little update. Here go my other plant that I still haven't repotted yet. I ain't did nothing. Okay. The plant that fell over. Back up there. That succulent is gorgeous. That thumb plant succulent. Oh my goodness. I got to straighten this up. But anyway, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to check out the other participants that I share in the beginning of this video, y'all. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Till the next time.
I'll see you on the next one.